这样讲的 ，baby 这样讲，这样讲。
Bobby, you what?
好，你问爸爸要吃什么吧。
爸爸，你要吃什么啊
I don't know. You tell me what you have.
I banana and apple and the banana and apple sauce and potato and then
Excuse me. What is putao?
potato is I don't know.
葡萄 is 葡萄。
Tell me what kind of color it is.
Purple.
Purple color.
Great.
Oh, the little round. Oh, is that you're talking about grape? Right, the purple color grape. And what else you have? Do you only have fruit? Do you have something like meat that I can eat?
What?
Like
No.
hamburger,
Hamburger.
pizza,
Okay.
or something?
This is so big.
This is so big. Okay, so big. So what do you want? Do you need me to help you?
I want that.
That? What's that? Let me take a look. Are you sure
就
you
是
want
里
that?
面这样打起来，就是拿起来就可以看到一个图在里面，那可以画画了哦。
那你没有画画的图啊？
只有了。
那个没有画画的图，那个没有纸啊，你去拿个纸吧。
好。好。
葡萄。
Here, this one.
Okay, yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. Here, put on the table.
Mama, I want that.
What's that? No, I don't think you need it. You just use this one. I think it's fine. Okay?
Well, I wanted that.
You want that?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Sure?
Yes.
Charlize, what are you doing now?
I want to share the mic.
What do you plan to do?
Whoa. See? Yes. 还有这个呢。好，这个在这儿。OK。好，加到好了。